making ice cream.
What kind of ice cream are we making? Soft serve vanilla ice cream.
Soft serve vanilla ice cream.
Where are we today, Musa? Are we in Toronto? In Quebec. Okay, and who's helping you? Ibrahim. And where is Hadi today?
Hadi's right here.
Hadi, you want to help Musa?
Yeah.
Okay, come then, help Musa. Let's see beautiful Quebec. Wow. You see, yeah.
Two boats. In the jungle.
What do we need to make ice cream, Musa? What is that? Heavy cream?
Heavy cream.
How much? 6 cups of heavy cream.
And sugar.
How much sugar? 4 cups. 4 cups sugar. Ibrahim, do you know what this is? What is that?
Banana.
Can you tell him what's that?
Banana.
Vanilla. 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. What is this? Ibrahim, what is this?
Salt.
Salt. Okay, great. Now you want to mix everything. You want to add everything. Let me help you with sugar. Okay, let's add sugar. Mix, mix, mix.
Oh, this is so heavy sugar.
You want to add salt?
Oh, look.
No, don't spill. Okay, put everything here. Okay, here. Okay, let's add vanilla. You want to? Okay, here. Great job, guys. How is it going, Musa? Did you mix already?
Yeah.
Did Ibrahim, did you help Musa? Is Musa your best friend? Are you guys best friends?
Yeah.
What grade are you in, Ibrahim? Are you going to go to school this year?
Yeah.
How old are you? You're 3? Okay.
And I'm 6.
6?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
All right, let's transfer the mixture into the container. I'm gonna help you. Amrin, you want to help me? Okay, how are we doing with the mixing? Is it mixed?
Is it Musa?
All right, now we are going to transfer. We are going to pour into the freezer safe container. Let's pour the mixture. Amrin is going to help us.
Musa, you want to hold from here? You want to help? Ibrahim, do you want to help? Okay, you have to be careful. Okay, you guys can let go.
Great job, everyone.
Freeze it.
You don't want to freeze it? You're okay. If you don't freeze it, it's going to be liquid like this. You want to drink it? Do you want to drink it like this?
You're gonna freeze it and then we're gonna go eat it near the boats, okay? You guys wanna do that? Okay, let's take you to the fridge.
Okay. What are we doing now, Musa?
Now we put in the ice cream is sitting for 2 minutes.
No, in the freezer it was sitting for 2 hours. Now you're going to mix it.
Yeah.
Ibrahim, you're going to mix it
I'll try
using the hand mixer. I'm gonna help you guys. What did you do, Musa? Look at the ice cream. So we just need to make sure that we don't overwhip, okay? So whip it for 3 minutes and it should form soft peaks like that. You wanna try some, Musa?
Yeah.
Now let's, okay, try some. How is it? Good? Okay, we are going to freeze it again. So we whipped it for 3 minutes. Now we are going to freeze it again for at least 8 hours.
the ice cream is ready. Yeah.
Ice cream is ready. Okay, now we are going to scoop it and put it in the in this bag. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You want me to help you?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's so soft, Musa. Look at that. Look at that. It's a really good like soft serve ice cream. Let's put it in there. Ibrahim, are you excited to eat the ice cream?
Yeah, I like red strawberry ice cream.
Sorry?
Red strawberry ice cream.
Vanilla. You made it yesterday, remember? And it was in the freezer for a very long time. Now it's ready.
So this guy is ready.
This guy is ready? Okay. All right. Let's start working. Let's fill up the cones, okay?
Okay.
And do try your ice cream recipe.
Yeah.
And thanks, Ibrahim, for joining Musa today. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye, Musa.